And here it is in all its glory. We have the map, we have the legendary M3, and all we need now is a controller to control the car, and then we can simply drive off. Now keep in mind, this is just a portion of the map. This is not the whole entire map. Of course, I couldn't get the whole entire map, but I'll try and work out something in the future episodes. Maybe we can get this whole entire road. Who knows? But first, let's try and generate a code to make this car drivable. So luckily for us, we already have a controller that we used in our other racing simulator, and we're going to use that as a basic so we can base on it, and then we're going to adapt it to our needs, and then this is going to work just fine, hopefully. Now, one of the mistakes that we did, or should I say I did, with the other racing simulator is that I did all these wheels as independent. Now, for this time, what we're going to do is only generate positions for this wheel. So this wheel will not exist at the beginning, so it will be generated using a script. And that way, in the future, when we build a customizing function, we can simply generate new wheels since we have the position, and it's just going to make our life a little bit easier. So I'm going to do that in off camera so I don't bore you off, and I will be back. Okay, so after hours of coding and adapting the scripts, I finally made it possible to make this vehicle drivable. And to demonstrate it, we're going to demonstrate it in here just to see that it works. First of all, we have only one wheel that duplicates in all 4 wheel locations. So we have one uniform wheel. And now if we go ahead, we can drive this normally. But that's not what we're here for. So let's go ahead and open our map, and this is our result. Now, I went ahead and created a simple camera following, and this is my final result. Enjoy.